Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to create Webhooks Discord. So guys, let's go to your Discord. Now open the server where you want to create your Webhooks. Now tap on server name. Tap on server settings. Tap on integrations. Tap on create Webhook. Tap on these options. Now type here your Webhook name. And you can also select the channel name. And also you can upload your Webhook profile picture if you want, and then just tap on save changes. So guys, that's it. That's how you can do it. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.